starting to build a retaining wall today. The first course has to be buried. It acts as a footing like you have on your house. So that has to get buried. I'll show you that. The bottom of these blocks have a back lip. And on the first course that you buried, you want to knock that lip off and make sure it's all smooth and level. I got the first two blocks in. Because we're going uphill, it changes the way I have to do things. You can see how these blocks step back. There's a notch that holds onto the block below it. Now this block is going to be half on the lower layer and half on the crushed RCA. So we don't need the lip on the entire thing. We only need it where it's going to be on the blocks. So we knocked off the lip on that, on half of it. This block is upside down. When it gets flipped over, that lip will lock onto the back of that block there. And where it doesn't have the lip, we'll go onto the crushed RCA. You can see how that staggers the seams. That's why you need a half block every other level. And when you split it to make the two half blocks, you want to put the part that you split on the side that you're going to see. This is the side of the wall. You may see that, as opposed to the factory side that would show that. Anytime you get an opportunity, try and use the split side. Well, we're making progress on the wall. The turn is in. Just have to make our way back up the slope, and it should go a little quicker than the turn. Put this wall up a little bit higher, probably by about 2 blocks each, and now they'll be more uniform. Well, the retaining wall is done.